Good morning, grade 6. How are you? Hope you are fine. So, बच्चे, as you know that we have finished with chapter number 16. The name of chapter is water. Now, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 15. The name of chapter is magnetism. Okay, so before starting the chapter, so let us discuss something about magnetism. So, it is clear from the name magnetism that in this chapter we will study about the term that is a magnet. Okay, now can you tell me what is magnet? Magnet is a thing that attract iron particles or magnetic particles. Okay, so in this chapter we will study about the magnet and its different properties. We will explore the magnet more. Okay, that why do we need magnet in our day-to-day life? What are the uses of magnet in our day-to-day life? So all the things related with magnet we will discuss in this chapter. Okay, so let us start your chapter with your basic introduction about the chapter. So surely you have come across magnets. Okay, those tiny black things at the back of magnetic sticker that people stick on their refrigerator. If you see the magnetic sticker, now there are some tiny black color things is there. Okay, so that black color thing is known as a magnetic material. Okay, or we can say it is a magnet. Okay, so that is the kind of magnet, those tiny black things at the back of magnetic sticker that people stick on their refrigerator. Have you ever wondered what makes them work? ਹੁਣ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਚਿਪਕਦੀਆਂ ਵਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਟਿੱਕਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਰੈਫਰੀਜਰੇਟਰ ਨਾਲ ਚਿਪਕਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਚਿਪਕਦੇ ਆ ਵਟ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਵਾਈ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਪੋਸੀਬਲ ਓਕੇ ਸੋ ਵਾਈ ਦੇ ਸਟਿਕ ਓਨਲੀ ਟੂ ਸਰਟਨ ਮੈਟੈਲਿਕ ਸਰਫੇਸ how they were discovered. In this chapter or in this lesson we shall explore the magnet and its mysterious way. Okay, we will discuss the magnet in detail in this chapter. Okay, so these days magnets are made up of some alloy. Okay, now the magnet that we use in our day-to-day life, that is made from alloy. Alloy means that is the mixture of metal with metal or metal with the non-metal. Okay, so nowadays magnets are made from the alloy particles. So but the first material found to have magnetic properties was a certain type of rock. The starting material that is or the first magnetic material that is the kind of a rock. एक पत्थर दा टुकड़ा सी we can say. Okay, so ancient writings refers to the iron tip of shepherd's staff getting stuck to the ground. मतलब ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਘੋੜਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਸਵਾਰ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੈਰ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੁਝ ਚਿਪਕ ਗਿਆ. ਓਕੇ, ਐਜ਼ ਹੀ ਰੋਮ ਦਾ ਫੀਲਡਸ ਵੇਅਰ ਡੀਜ਼ ਰੌਕਸ ਵਰ ਫਾਊਂਡ. ਮਤਲਬ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਚਟਾਨਾਂ ਪੱਥਰ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਲੰਘ ਕੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਚਿਪਕ ਗਈ. ਓਕੇ, ਸੋ ਗ੍ਰੀਕਸ the ancient Greeks called that rock magnetite. What is the name of that rock? Magnetite. The name of that rock is magnetite after the province of Magnesia. Okay, where it was found. We now know the magnetite is as a magnetic ore of iron. So what is a magnetite? It is a magnetic ore of iron. Means just take a magnetite is a piece of magnetic ore of the iron that attract iron particles or that attract magnetic particles. Now magnets and their properties. So magnetite is a natural magnet while the magnets you see around you are made artificially from a variety of material. If you're talking about the magnetite is a magnet that we get from the nature, but the magnets that we see nowadays they are known as artificial magnet. Why they are artificial? Because they are made by the human being in the factories. Okay, so they come in various shapes and sizes. There are different shapes of size of the magnets. The most common one is a bar magnet. Okay, the most common one bar magnet is known as a bar magnet. Okay, then a horseshoe magnet is made from a bar bent in the shape of a U. Okay, one horseshoe magnet is also there that is in the form of a U shape. Okay, this is your bar magnet and this is your horseshoe magnet. So magnets in the shape of rods, disc and rings are also available. If you see the magnets in the shape of rods means like a cylinder shape. Okay, in the disc shape also. So many shapes and sizes of magnets are available nowadays in the market. So you can get magnets from a store for a scientific supplies of or a toy shop and explore their properties. If we want to buy the magnet, then we can easily get it from the store of scientific material, or we can also get it by from the toy shop. Okay, so the magnets we are talking about called permanent magnet. और ਜਿਹੜੀ मैगनेट ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਾ, what we call to that magnet permanent magnet. Okay, permanent magnet means they have a magnetic power for the permanent period of time. So that's why they are known as permanent magnet, because they do not lose their properties unless they are severely damaged. If we damage very badly, then they are allowed to lose their properties of magnetic material, otherwise they will not lose their properties. Okay, so we will discuss how magnets get damaged and what temporary magnets are after we learn about some properties of a magnet. So some pictures of magnets are also available on their book. Okay, so I also have some original magnets. So this is the first type of magnet that is in the shape of a U shape, or it is known as a horseshoe magnet. Okay, what is the name of this magnet? U magnet, U-shaped magnet, or it is also known as a horseshoe magnet, and it is made from alnico. Okay, it is made from a alnico particle. Alnico is the magnetic material which is used to make the magnet. So this is your horseshoe magnet. Okay, its shape is like the shoe of horse. So just horse ਦੇ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਨੀਚੇ ਲਗਾਉਂਦੇ ਨਾ, so it is same like that. Okay, and one more magnet is there. So this is known as your bar magnet. Okay, so what is the name of this magnet? Bar magnet. Okay, here are two magnets. Anji, so this is your bar magnet. It is in the shape of the bar. Okay, so this is bar magnet and this is the horseshoe magnet. In the next videos or in the upcoming videos, we will discuss about the properties of these magnetic material. So this is your basic introduction about the chapter. Now what you have to do, you need to study the same by your own with the help of video. Watch this video very carefully, then read these 2 or 3 paragraphs by your own. That is a basic introduction about the magnetism. Okay, bachi, so this is your homework for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.